Hello everyone, welcome to Opportunities Circle, the number one opportunities discovering platform. This time, Opportunity Circle is back with another fully funded scholarship that is the Schwarzman Scholars Program in China. For a decade, China is known for technology, innovation, and education. The Schwarzman Scholars Program is a fully funded one-year master's scholarship. All the expenses related to the program will be covered by the host country. The program will be held at the Tsinghua University of China. Many great Chinese leaders were once a part of this university. It has a very good ranking. It was ranked 15 by the QS World University Rankings and first university in Asia in QS Graduate Employability Rankings. US News and World Report ranks Tsinghua as 28th globally for its Best Global Universities ranking. Now let's see who can apply for this fully funded scholarship. All the international candidates as well as Chinese citizens are eligible to apply. Candidate must have either bachelor's or equivalent degree. Candidate must be 18 to 20 years old and they must submit English language proficiency scores. The benefits of this program are huge. It will provide travel expenses, full tuition fees, study tours allowance, monthly stipend, personal laptop for the duration of the scholarship, and allowance for the course books and comprehensive medical insurance. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for daily updates and new videos. Don't forget to join the official groups of Opportunities Circle on WhatsApp and Telegram and follow us on Facebook and Instagram for daily updates and new opportunities. To apply for this fully funded scholarship, click on the link given in the description section of this video. Once you click that link, you will be redirected to this web page. Read through the details of this scholarship and scroll down towards the application process and click on Apply Now to start the application process. It brings you to the official site of Schwarzman Scholars Program. Please do read the program's eligibility requirement before you start and read the application instructions as well. Since you are logging in for the first time, therefore click on Create an account. Register yourself by simply putting in the email address, your first name, last name, and birth date. After the registration, a temporary PIN will be sent to your email address. Put it in here, put the birth date again, and click on Login. After logging in, set a password and click on Set Password. It will bring you back to the official site of Schwarzman Scholars Program. Scroll down and click on Start New Application. This box will pop up. Here you have to click on Create Application. Another box of application details will pop up. Here you have to click on Open Application. Start your application by putting in your personal information. Put your name, put your current address, email address, your contact information, your biographical information, citizen information, and then click on Continue. It will redirect you to the second section of the application, and it's about your own self. It's a biographical profile that should be in 100 words. Scroll down and upload your CV, and then you need to record a 1-minute video. You need to upload it here. If you can provide the link of that video, do put the link over here. Then you have to choose the interests. You need to select 2 interests, and then you have to answer that whether you have applied to Schwarzman Scholars before, say yes or no, and then click on Continue. Then the third section will open for you. Here you have to click on Add Institution and then select the institution, choose the country, the city where you have completed your education, and then upload your transcript and click on Save. After completing the education details, click on Continue. In the fourth section, you have to provide your language skills. Click on Add Language and provide the details here by adding in the language and the language level, and then click on Save. Then in the English language proficiency, select the one that applies to you, select that option, and then if you are a non-native English speaker who studied a minimum of 2 years in the English at the post-secondary level, you have to briefly describe the context of your education institution. After describing that very briefly, click on Continue. Now comes the Leadership Roles and Recognition section. Click on Add Activity, provide all the details here, save it, and then click on Continue. It will bring you to the sixth section of your application, that is the professional experiences. Here you have to add your professional experiences. After adding the experiences, click on continue. As a part of the application in this section, you are required to submit a leadership essay, a statement of purpose, and two short answers. The leadership essay and statement of purpose must be completed separately and attached as individual files. PDF or Word documents are preferred. You have to name your files in this format. And the leadership essay can be of 750 words maximum. The next essay, that is the statement of purpose, can be of 500 words maximum. And the maximum limit for the short answers is 100 words. So you need to put it all here and then click on continue. In the next section, you have to provide 3 recommendation letters. For that, you have to provide the information of the recommender. You have to put the prefix, then the first name, last name, organization, the title of that person, the relationship with you, telephone, and email address, and then an email will be sent to that recommender, and the recommender will provide a recommendation letter for you. In the disciplinary action, you have to answer a few questions in yes or no, answer them, and then click on continue. In the next section, you have to provide some additional information related to interview dates. And then if you wish to clarify any information you provided in the application, you need to put it in the clarification comment. And then after answering some of the other questions, you have to click on continue. Now the next section says that you can review your application carefully. By signing this application form, you certify that your Schwarzman Scholars application is complete and accurate, and purposefully omitting or inaccurately reporting information requested on this form may constitute an act of academic dishonesty. Therefore, scroll down. If you think that your application is done, then put your name here and then confirm. The last section of this application is the review section. This section detects the errors in your application, and those errors must be corrected before submission. If you don't correct them, your application will not be accepted. After correcting the errors, submit your application. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope that this video is helpful for you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family.